was looking for a unique light, so I picked up this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. If you need to add light to your abode and you want it to be unique, you might want to check out this. This is a 16 LED lighted branch, and it says open other end. So I will start down here. And it is a little bit of a trendy looking light branch. Now, first of all, it does work on batteries or plugged in apparently. And what I can see here is we get a USB cable with a single prong plug right there. So I think I can plug this in and run it off of kind of your standard cell phone charging block. But if you don't have an outlet nearby, you can use this little battery pack. It runs on 3 AA batteries. We have a little on-off switch right here. And because they're LEDs, they should run for a long time on battery power. But what you might be able to see here is we have these branches, and they kind of look like skinned branches off any tree. They are super light. They're almost like balsa wood light, but they actually came in brown, so I'm not sure if they were painted or they had like bark on them, but in this case they are much more of a eggshell or tan color, and they are kind of tethered together here with some saran wrap on the bottom there. I don't know if you'll need that, but what you can do here, spread these out a little bit. You want to be gentle with it. Obviously they can break. In fact, I've got a little piece that has fallen off there and there, so even in the shipping, that's what they kind of do. And then on some of these branches we have the wire wrapped around there, and then the little LED lights. So this stands about 36 inches tall, so it's about 3 feet. I think you can use just like a standard vase if you're sophisticated, put these in there and then turn this on, and it just gives you something of kind of a modern outdoor look. It's something that I would imagine that you would see in a hotel lobby or dividing tables in a restaurant or something like that. But you know, this will kind of go with, I think, my other holiday decorations because I have lit trees around. So I'm just going to put these in a vase and see what they look like. So let's try it out. Now, I will admit I don't have the right vase for this. I actually just grabbed an old mug. I actually had to kind of pack it with packing paper here because anything that's wide, like this mug or a standard vase, just lets the branches kind of flop out and they basically lay 45 degrees and it doesn't look right. So I kind of had to pack them up like this. I actually wouldn't have minded if they had included some sort of small vase, even if it's cheap, just so right out of the box I can set this up and use it. You can see the LEDs here all lit up. They're not on every branch, FYI. They're only on 3 of the major branches, and then the other branches here don't have any lights. It's just kind of to fill it out, but you can see what that looks like there. I've got the cord plugged into an outlet, and you absolutely can use this power button here to control them, even though I have it plugged into an outlet. So turn it off and turn it on. Pretty cool. Hey, it does have a kind of a cool, like, enchanted forest look. If you want a little bit of that organic outside indoors kind of a thing, then these are pretty cool. They don't put out a lot of light, so they are really just to add a little ambiance. They are not really bright enough to kind of replace a table lamp or a floor lamp or anything like that, but it's kind of cool looking. Hey, if you want to pick these up, they are pretty inexpensive. A nice little product to add a little bit of style. If you want to pick it up, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.